Mass resignation. What is the reason behind that? Already said, because of the mismanagement and because of the misleading of the newly appointed president. Why? Does not regard all the leaders to be same, and he considered that newcomer is the best. But actually, we have to say old is best. But today, many workers, old workers, have been denied as the top leaders. That's why the organization itself now become a mess. And what
Resigned today.
today, most 50% of the district committee members will resign.
We came to know that president also is going to join the BJP. So if the president join the BJP, then what will be the people today they have resigned? They will be stay in the BJP or they will go to the other political party?
Yes, I heard the rumors so. But actually, I do not know the proof, but I heard the rumors. If he joined BJP, then it will be like a sheep without a shepherd. It will be scattered here and there. So how can the general public, how can the voters can remain in the same place?
Now today, more than 250 have resigned from the Congress party. So
Yeah.
now in future, where in which political party you are going to join?
Up till now, we have not any decision. We are going to consult. We cannot say maybe new party or maybe appears in other party that I can say. After the consultation with leaders, that we are going to decide it.